Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa on the stove. First, it is crucial to rinse your quinoa thoroughly. This step removes saponin, a natural coating that can give quinoa a bitter taste. Place 1 cup of dry quinoa in a fine mesh sieve and rinse it under cold running water for at least 30 seconds or until the water runs clear. This simple preparation ensures a much better flavor. Next, let's get the cooking started. For every 1 cup of quinoa, you will need 2 cups of liquid. You can use water, vegetable broth, or chicken broth for added flavor. Pour your chosen liquid into a saucepan and bring it to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Add a small pinch of salt to the boiling liquid to enhance the quinoa's natural taste. This ratio is key for perfectly cooked grains. Once the liquid is boiling, add the rinsed quinoa to the saucepan. Stir it gently to combine. Immediately reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly with a lid, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Do not lift the lid during this time. The quinoa is done when all the liquid has been absorbed. Then, remove the pot from the heat and let it rest, still covered, for 5 minutes. Finally, it's time to enjoy your perfectly cooked quinoa. After the 5-minute resting period, remove the lid. Use a fork to gently fluff the quinoa, separating the grains. This helps to release any remaining steam and ensures a light, airy texture. Serve your delicious quinoa immediately as a versatile side dish, a base for bowls, or mixed into salads. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.